Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create text messages on CapCut PC. So you are just going to go to text effects here, or text templates. Actually, I'll go to text templates and see if they have any message ones. Social media maybe. Let's see. I'm trying to see on the very left side, which is quite hard to do. Now my PC's lagging. Great. Okay, there we go. Do we have it under trending? Nope. What about technology? Maybe we have one there. Well, if you can't find like a bubble, you can just add it here first. I'll just add a text first actually and just start from there. Hi, hello, how are you? Smiley face. You can use any font you want, of course. I'll go to the effects section here, and hopefully they have one here or one's in the bubble one. I think they have one in the bubble one actually instead of the effects. So you're going to just choose one that looks mostly like a text message. Definitely not that one. I swear it was here like yesterday. Well, if you can't find like a bubble that's like a text message bubble, you can definitely use like these ones too. I think they're super cute as well. Or you can use this one too. Adjust the font size and then place it like on the left. If you can't see it, just change the color to whatever color you like. And then you can even add an animation. So right click, create compound clip, and then go to animation and do like the slide left or the slide right depending on where the message is, or slide like up. Let's see, where's slide up? I'm trying to find it, like I swear. Oh, there it is. Sorry. Use that one, adjust the duration. You can even add like sound effects like the bubble, like the you know what I mean. But that is pretty much how you can add text messages to your videos in CapCut PC. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.